Hi guys, my name is Martin and this is Project Space. So what is Project Space? Project Space is an idea that came to my mind out of nowhere. In form of short videos or more like animations, I will talk about logically the space. It will be split to chapters which will be in form of some TV series. Its goal is to teach people something about the universe and how it functions. There may be some guests as well, so stay tuned. These videos will be 2 times a week or more. First chapter will be the planets of our solar system. That's everything for today, so goodbye and see you next time on another space adventure.